Hey everyone, this is Damasani from Wellnessx3, and I'm here to show you how to make your own hand sanitizer, and also you could use it to spritz your clothing and your face and just your body in general. Okay, so we're gonna have some alcohol, and it has to be 70% or more. Reason for that is that when 70% or more, it's more effective on killing germs. So that's your bacteria and fungus and viruses. Okay, so I'm doing just by no specific measurement. It's a small bottle. So I'm putting about, I would say 1/8 of the size of this bottle with alcohol. Okay, I have some rose water here. Rose water is a good skin nourisher. And I'm putting a little bit of rose water too. Again, no specific measurement. The reason why I'm doing no specific measurements, because I'm pretty good at making mixes. I keep trying to put this spritzer on all the bottles. So now we're gonna go for some peppermint oil. So for my essential oils, this is the key part of my mix. Very key ingredient, peppermint oil. Super good with as an antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral agent. And essential oils are very potent. You don't need a lot. So for this I do count. So I'm gonna count 7 drops. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And next I go for oil of oregano. Everyone knows oil of oregano. Same thing, antimicrobial, antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral. Okay, so at home, people are going crazy running out of sanitary wipes and alcoholic, whatever those things are. You can make your own at home. No need to panic in any crisis. Okay, be informed and do what you need to do at home. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, essential oils, you don't need a lot because they're very potent in their oil form, very potent substances. And now for my lemon oil. Again, lemon oil, same thing, antimicrobial, antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral. And when I say that, these are just general terms. Obviously, certain things are specific for particular viruses and bacteria, but we're trying to do a broad base where we have different substances that will knock out most pathogens, most bacteria and fungus. Okay, so that's about 7 I counted. Okay, and then I have my filtered water, which will make do the remainder of my mix here. And again, it's a small bottle. You can make whatever size bottles you like. And then what I do with that, I add a little bit of soap, and this is my. I just do 2 drops. This is my organic soap, hand soap, that I also use for my body. So, so basically, with this, mix it up, and I could use this as my hand sanitizer and for my clothing when I come from or when I'm outside. So no need to panic. The reason why I put some soap with that, because it helps all the different substances, especially with the oil, to mix in with the liquids. Okay, so boom, spray myself, spray my hand if I need to. Okay, great smelling and also effective. And one thing you want to do is to have your little label maker. You could actually label this bottle hand spray or homemade hand spray, whatever you want to name it. And that's my tip for making your own hand sanitizer, facial spritz, clothing spritz, to keep yourself safe and clean and germs and virus free. Okay, thank you. Have yourself a great day.